Good morning, lads. I'm just going to share this screen. Right, guys, a small multisim tutorial today. Basically, when you log into Multisim Live, this is the screen you're presented with. I've got some circuits here you won't have unless you've been playing with it. Turn the volume of the TV down. So first things first, top right, you'll see your name where you're logged in and create circuit. So create circuit's where we're going to go. And it's initialising Multisim Live. Because it's online, it's running from a server. It maybe take a wee minute or two for things to update. There we go. Oh, on this side, on the left, I've got the components for inserting. This white screen is where we create the circuit. And if you roll the wheel on the mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out and drag it about. If you hold the left mouse button down, you can click, hold and drag. So how you navigate, zoom in, and you can just drag with the left mouse button and zoom out with the roller wheel. I want this morning to create maybe an LED or a light bulb getting power, basically. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab myself a bulb over here. In here, indicators with a lamp, an LED, an 8 LED bar, and a buzzer. I'm going to grab a lamp, put it on the page somewhere. When I put it here, I get the 4 icons. This one rotates it. Yeah, this one deletes it. This one makes a duplicate, so I can click that and drag over here, and I then have 2. Let's get rid of that extra one, I don't need it. Right, so I need some way of powering this lamp, so let's get a power source. AC voltage, that'll do. So you'll see the 4 same icons as we had a second ago with the bulb. When you click on something, these icons appear. So I need to join these together. From the edge of the connector there, if I move to that, you'll see the icon changing. This is that wiring tool. If I click, I can then drag down. Now I'm not clicking the mouse button just now. As soon as I go to the right, it makes a corner. Then I'm going to come here, then I'm going to click and go up. Now you'll see it joining. Watch, when I move on to the actual dot, you'll see a little circle flashing out. That's saying you're making a connection. You're actually connected. If you're not sure, you can zoom in. So there's one connection made, and I'm going to do the same for the top. So we'll start here. Click. I'm not clicking. As soon as I move to the right, the corner will be made. When I get over here, I'm going to click and then come down. I'm just judging to the eye. Click. Come down to see the flashing circle. If you're slightly off, it'll jump it back in for you when you make the connection, usually. Click. Now, that's a connection. I need to put a ground in. So over here, ground. Place that here, and then connect it. Flashing circle again. See the circle? Click. Now, I'm going to zoom out a bit. I've made this circuit now. So 12 volts, it's saying here, if I click on this power supply, double click over here, it's telling me there's 1 volt going through it. So I'm going to make that 12 volts. And just get rid of this window again. So 12 volts, feeding a 12 volt bulb. This should light up when I run this simulation. So if I click on the play button, up top left here, run simulation. Simulator loading. We have a light bulb, alternating current, it's kind of flashing, yeah? Right, if I stop that. So what I would like you guys to do is create this circuit, take a screenshot of it running with the light bulb lit up, place that screenshot in a Word document, and I'll tell you what Dropbox to put it in, probably the Mark Alderson multisim Dropbox. I'll check that that's still on the page. Off the top of my head, I can't remember, but I think it is. And also what you can do is if I stop this and in here, there's switches. I'm trying to find switches here. Switches. In here, there's a range of switches. Now, this one here, I could add this anywhere. I'm not going to show you where. Try and make this same circuit, but place that switch up at the top of the circuit somewhere where the number 2 is, and then see if you can get the circuit to run, and then you'll have to click the switch, and that should switch the light bulb on and off. If you manage to do that, insert that screenshot also into the Word document. Right, cheers lads, I shall speak to you later. Bye.